vertex form of quadratic equation, but here is an example that is in a SAT or ACT. Which of the following functions represent a parabola with a vertex at -3 and 4, and that passes through the point -1 and -4? So here we can solve this. We can find out with these two information by finding the vertex and the point. But because this is a SAT and ACT, we have to look always for the shortest way. So we already know this is a H and this is K. So I am doing a little bit in a longer way, but I think you can do in a short way this one. But just for sake of the information, I'm going a little bit longer. So we already know this is a H and this is K. So this is H and this is K. We already know the formula. Y is equal to the A, the vertex form of the quadratic equation, x minus h square plus k. One of the way here is, for example, we take x and y coordinates, we plug in this formula, and we plug in the information of the vertex and h and k, and we find a, and we can find the right equation. But because sometimes we have to look for the shortcut, we already look here what we have at the vertex hk, and we want to identify. For example, here we want to identify the vertex. What is here? X minus 0 square. So h is minus 0. So this I can rule out. This is not the right question. And here this h here is h is equal with a minus 1. Minus 1, but h is minus 3. So this is not the right answer. And now h, this one here, h is a minus 3. So look at this one here, h here is a minus 3. So this is a good answer. Even for the k is a 4. You see, k is a 4. So k is equal to 4. So this looks is a right answer. But before that, let's check in the other one. But here h is a 3. So this is wrong. And k is minus 32. K minus 32. So this is the wrong. So this immediately, just with this step here, what we found, the h is equal with a 3. It's not a minus 3. We can cross out. This is not the right answer. So the only right answer here is answer B. So B is the correct answer. So this is an easy way how we can find out. And usually this kind of the question in SAT and ACT are the questions that requires a very short period of time to find out those answers. That's why they give us some kind of the questions that are tricky a little bit, and we have to think outside of the methods what we learn in the school, but we have to find out different ways how we can find out those answers.